announcement. Hello, YouTube. I haven't made a video for over a year, and this is a major accomplishment that I'm finally making an announcement video to document what's happened. Well, first thing first, Total Pivot Island has been canceled. It wasn't being really popular. Nobody really liked it. It kept getting like negative comments. And it also wasn't up to the quality. During that time, I've been concepting a new series. It's titled Stick Squad. It's going to be made in Pivot, as usual, and will be about a bunch of stick figures and like their stuff and antics. So, that's basically what the word is about how things will be going. It's unclear when the video will be made, the whole series, for that matter. But I'm just telling you that I've conceived it, and I hope that I will make it soon. I have made a test animation to show my new smoother animation style, which will be used for Stick Squad. Here it is. So that's my announcement video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.